We've all been there. Endless hours researching vehicles, reading horror stories about engine failures, and trying to avoid buying someone else's mechanical nightmare. But what if I told you there are cars so legendarily reliable that you could literally buy them with your eyes closed? Today, I'm counting down the 5 Japanese vehicles that have proven themselves so dependable, so bulletproof, that purchasing one is practically a guarantee of trouble-free ownership. Let's get started. Toyota Camry, the gold standard of reliability. When it comes to bulletproof reliability, no vehicle has established a more consistent track record than the Toyota Camry. This mid-size sedan has become the benchmark against which all other reliable vehicles are measured, and for good reason. Under the hood, most recent Camrys feature either a 2.5-liter four-cylinder, producing around 203 horsepower, or an optional 3.5-liter V6 generating about 301 horsepower. Both engines are renowned for their longevity, with many owners reporting 250,000-plus miles of trouble-free operation. The 8-speed automatic transmission used in current models has also proven remarkably durable, addressing some of the minor issues found in earlier generations. What makes the Camry truly special is its consistently impressive reliability ratings. Consumer Reports has routinely placed it among the most reliable vehicles on the market, and J.D. Power has awarded it quality scores as high as 92 out of 100. These aren't just empty accolades. They reflect real-world dependability that owners experience year after year. Perhaps most impressive are the Camry's maintenance costs, which average only about $387 annually. Over the first decade of ownership, owners typically spend just over $4,200 on maintenance and repairs, remarkably low for a vehicle that delivers such consistent performance. This combination of low operating costs and exceptional reliability makes the Camry the definition of a worry-free purchase. Mazda MX5 Miata, proof that fun and reliability can coexist. Conventional wisdom suggests that sports cars require compromise, trading reliability for excitement and driving enjoyment. The Mazda MX5 Miata decisively proves this assumption wrong, delivering an exhilarating driving experience alongside surprising dependability. Powered by a naturally aspirated 2.0-liter four-cylinder engine, producing around 181 horsepower in current models, the Miata emphasizes simplicity and balance rather than brute power. This straightforward approach extends to the entire vehicle, with Mazda eschewing complex systems that might compromise long-term reliability. This philosophy has paid dividends in reliability ratings, with Consumer Reports awarding the Miata an impressive score of 85. The 2008 model received a J.D. Power Quality and Reliability score of 86 out of 100, demonstrating consistent excellence across generations. These exceptional ratings represent a remarkable achievement for a performance-focused sports car. Maintenance costs for the Miata average approximately $429 annually, slightly higher than some economy cars but remarkably low for a sports car. Its straightforward design also makes many maintenance tasks accessible to DIY-inclined owners, potentially reducing costs further. Parts availability remains excellent across all generations, ensuring continued serviceability as the vehicle ages. What truly distinguishes the Miata is how it delivers both driving excitement and peace of mind. The responsive handling, perfect balance, and open-top experience create driving joy that few vehicles can match, all while maintaining reliability that puts many mundane commuter cars to shame. What to examine? On older Miatas, check for rust issues, particularly around the rocker panels and rear fenders. Also verify proper operation of the convertible top mechanism, as this can require adjustment or repair on high-mileage examples. Honda CR-V, the SUV that refuses to quit. For those seeking SUV versatility with sedan-like reliability, the Honda CR-V has established itself as the go-to option. This compact crossover combines practical utility with Honda's legendary engineering to create a vehicle you can purchase with complete confidence. Most current CR-Vs come equipped with a 1.5-liter turbocharged four-cylinder engine, producing 190 horsepower, while the hybrid variant pairs a 2.0-liter engine with electric motors for improved efficiency and performance. Both powertrains have demonstrated excellent durability, with the standard engine proving remarkably trouble-free despite its turbocharged design, traditionally a potential reliability concern. The CR-V consistently earns top marks from reliability ratings organizations. Consumer Reports routinely ranks it among the most dependable compact SUVs on the market, highlighting its trouble-free ownership experience. Industry experts project a potential lifespan of approximately 15 years for properly maintained CR-Vs, an impressive figure that speaks to their long-term durability. While specific maintenance figures vary by model year, Honda vehicles typically cost around $400 annually to maintain, significantly less than the industry average. This economic advantage, combined with excellent fuel efficiency, particularly in hybrid models, makes the CR-V an exceptionally cost-effective choice over the long term. Inside, the CR-V offers one of the most practical and versatile cabins in its class. The thoughtfully designed interior provides generous passenger space and cargo capacity that belies the vehicle's compact external dimensions. This combination of reliability, practicality, and efficiency has made the CR-V a perennial bestseller. Lexus RX. Luxury without the reliability sacrifice. The automotive world often presents a frustrating paradox. As luxury and features increase, reliability typically decreases. The Lexus RX shatters this paradigm, offering premium accommodations and features while maintaining exceptional dependability, truly the best of both worlds. The RX lineup offers several powertrain options, including a 3.5-liter V6, producing around 295 horsepower and various hybrid configurations that balance performance and efficiency. These powertrains have demonstrated remarkable durability, living up to Lexus's reputation for engineering excellence. Lexus as a brand has dominated reliability rankings for years, with J.D. Power ranking it highest in overall vehicle dependability for 3 consecutive years. The RX specifically has been a cornerstone of this reputation, consistently earning top marks from Consumer Reports and other independent evaluators. This exceptional reliability record reflects Toyota Lexus's commitment to thorough testing and quality control. While luxury vehicles typically incur higher maintenance costs, the RX breaks this trend by offering relatively economical upkeep compared to European luxury competitors. Owners frequently report maintenance costs similar to those of mainstream vehicles, an impressive achievement for a luxury SUV with advanced features and technology. The RX's interior represents the perfect balance of luxury and functionality, with high-quality materials, comfortable seating, and thoughtful design that creates a serene driving environment. Advanced safety features and refined road manners complete the package, delivering a premium experience without the reliability concerns that often plague luxury vehicles. Toyota Corolla. Compact car, giant reliability. If the Camry is Toyota's reliability flagship, the Corolla is its equally dependable, smaller sibling. This compact car has built a global reputation for unmatched durability and trouble-free operation that spans decades and millions of satisfied owners. The current Corolla offers either a 1.8-liter four-cylinder, producing about 139 horsepower, or a more powerful 2.0-liter four-cylinder, making around 169 horsepower. Both engines are designed with simplicity and longevity as primary goals, reducing complexity to enhance reliability. The Corolla hybrid variant takes this dependability even further, earning an extraordinary reliability rating of 93 from Consumer Reports, making it literally the most reliable vehicle they've tested. The Corolla's maintenance costs tell a story of exceptional engineering and quality control. Annual maintenance expenses average just $381, with total costs for the first decade typically coming in around $4,087. These figures are among the lowest in the automotive industry and translate to significant savings over the vehicle's lifespan. Beyond the impressive statistics, the Corolla's reliability is perhaps best evidenced by the countless high-mileage examples still on the road today. It's not uncommon to see Corollas with 300,000-plus miles running smoothly with their original engines and transmissions, a testament to their extraordinary durability. These 5 vehicles represent the pinnacle of Japanese automotive engineering and reliability. Each has consistently demonstrated exceptional dependability, reasonable maintenance costs, and outstanding longevity that justify complete confidence in their purchase. If you find this video informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe.